they've got the agents, they've got all the SDKs and ADKs, AI, and their focus is around actions and workflows, and they've built an ecosystem that your average AI practitioner can go in and basically build the next product. One of the things that they showed us that was super interesting and kind of ties back to the media and entertainment space is they brought all the partners to the Sphere, and they showed us how they've built the tool set that is available to most of the world today, right? And that's through building, remaking the Wizard of Oz uh, from the old movie. They took the old movie and reproduced it so that it fits on the Sphere's screen. And in order to build that, they had to create a bunch of capabilities that formerly did not exist. For example, if you consider the resolution of back in the day, you had an area of the screen that you would have the characters on. Well,
Yeah, it was actually like smaller than 1024 by 768, right? I mean, it was pretty small.
small,
Yeah.
small, grainy. And so not only did they have to up the resolution on every scene that existed, but they also had to, I think they call it inpainting, inpaint what it would have looked like had the screen been bigger and the camera was able to capture more on the screen.
Yeah,
So
it's just amazing.
essentially generate frame by frame what the Wizard of Oz would have looked like if the camera was of the resolutions of today's cameras, essentially.
Yeah, and effectively for the like I think you could conceivably consider it like the biggest widescreen on the planet,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Talking about the sphere, and so
yeah,
it's incredible to me the way that they can extrapolate out like when the character is off screen, what they would be doing off screen, and then as you know they're supposed to come back into the shot, they show them walking back into shot.
yeah,
And the level of training that they had to do for the AIs for each of the individual actors' mannerisms and things like that is pretty incredible as well. So that when they're off scene and they're still you can still see them, it doesn't look like a robot or a CGI effect that they've put in to do that.
yeah. Yeah, and they had to train things frame by frame. They pulled in context from the original design of the movie. Like basically they created a model where like the old notes of the directors from Wizard of Oz and from former movies of how the shots were being taken were all introduced into this model so that they could rebuild things literally frame by frame.